Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change title color and text color on column hour in Avada in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now on screen you see text, title. So when we hover on column, now you see title color and text color change on column hour. Now go to edit page. So this is our title. So click on it. So you can add CSS ID. Now you see we added CSS ID, hover title for title, and then click on save. Now go to text. So click on it. So we are in general and then again add CSS ID. Now you see we added hover text. So we added CSS ID in title and CSS ID in text, and then click on save and then click on update. So after that we are going to add custom CSS. Now go to customize section and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now you see fusion column wrapper colon hover. So this is our CSS ID for title, and then you see H3 we are using. If you are using H2, H1, H5, so you can add here. And then you see color white, important. Again you see fusion column wrapper colon hover. Then you see our text. So this is our CSS ID for paragraph or text. Again we added color white, important. And then click on publish and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. Now go to page again. Now you see, so title color and text color change on column hour. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.